here it is, the finished manifold Cerakoted inside and out. Oh, I got horrible lighting. Blocks cast manifold, Cerakoted. Everybody, here is the turbine housing, recoated with Cerakote and put back on the turbo. Recoated the inside there and recoated it in there and all around the outside. So now the turbo and the manifold can go back together and get ready to put it back on the car. Got a little fabbing left to do, but not that big of a deal. Here we have the same downpipe, just refabbed, repositioned, and finish coated. Oh, that's horrible, but coated the inside. Coated the whole dang thing. Got my two O2 bungs on there, one for the wideband and the other for the ECU, and my V-band flange. So let's see how it does. Alright everybody, here it is back together. First start up. Had to remake the wastegate dump tube. Had to redo the downpipe. What else? Haven't got the AC put back in yet, but we got the compressor on. We made sure it was going to clear. That's really about it as far as a refab and a revamp. Gonna have to put my intake back on there. I don't have it on yet. And then with my lights. What the hell? There you go. So don't have the intake back on yet, but manifold Cerakoted, turbine housing Cerakoted. The downpipe is Techline coated with their ceramic header coat. There's the EGT sensor. Used all stainless steel hardware. There's my copper dump tube. There's my composite charge pipe. Testing that out. We're going to see how that works out. Hopefully it's awesome and I'll make more and sell them to you guys, and I plan to make some more or others out of different car composite materials. So anyways, short little video of the car, pretty much back together, running. Like I said, this was the first startup. Sorry I didn't get a shot of us starting it, but that's not really that big of a thing. Anyways, once I get it 100% put back together, might shoot a small little video, and then a little bit down the road, I'll give y'all another update video, tell you how the manifold, turbine housing, downpipe, and composite charge pipe is working out. So thanks for watching.